guys, thank you very much for tuning in on Slikhaar TV. Today it's battle time, and we're doing a battle because it's our 10 years anniversary. We have been 10 years on Slikhaar TV creating awesome hair tutorials. So today you have the opportunity to win a Revolution wax. It's coming out in next week and it's limited edition. We only made 100,000 units for all of you, so it's very limited. I know there's 2 million of you out there. We just hit the 2 million subscriber mark last week.
Congratulations, Emil.
Thank you. I think we should pick 5 winners. You have to choose if you like my hairstyle or if you like Rasmus's hairstyle. Don't. So Rasmus, let's fight.
Are you ready for the fight, Emil?
Sure.
Revolution.
Alright, Rasmus, tell me, what have you done?
What have I done?
What have you done to your hair?
Alright, I have a lot of volume, so the foundation is here.
And now for the Revolution wax. It's nothing that you've ever seen before. It's everything combined in one product. All of the best things we know from hairstyling, grooming and scents. It's the best hair waxes we have used. This is the secret formulation.
Ooh, baby, keep my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that
Easy to apply,
Spiking it up, making texture.
creamy
Get this
texture
grip
in
going.
the product.
So I'm dragging my hair to the front.
When it sets in, what does it feel like?
Stronghold. It feels like a really good mud wax with the stronghold, matte finish, pliable, and a texturizer. Actually 30 seconds.
Now it's my turn. I'll be using the original Sidekick because it gives a very good lift to the hair, stronghold and texture. The perfect foundation before adding the Revolution wax. And if you don't know, we have just upgraded the pump system in the Sidekick sprays, so now you will experience a more fuller mist. This is very great, I think. Are you joking with me, Rasmus?
Yes!
As you can see, a very nice full texture. It actually holds itself right now. The only thing I need right now is the Revolution wax. Bring it in, Rasmus.
Oh, yeah. Open it. That smells amazing.
Definitely can tell you we have a new fragrance in this product. It's a unique formulation because we took a lot of the good features from the Gold Digger wax and some of the other mud waxes we have worked with, and we made a more creamier formulation, so it makes it very easy to apply this.
And the scent, it's so good.
It reminds me.
You don't understand it.
It reminds me a little bit of the Hero. And as always, I recommend that you spray 1 pump of Sidekick or 2 in the palms and release the rest of the wax that are stuck in your palms.
So you got the green one?
Got the green
and I have the
original one.
0 one.
Hasn't changed.
It's
never change.
It's basically the same product. There's only a little bit of moist lock in this one, and there's all organic ingredients.
Anyway, guys, now we have 2 hairstyles, and it's very important that you choose what side are you on. Are you on Emil's side or on Rasmus's side?
You need to write Quiff hairstyle with Rasmus or slick back hairstyle with Emil. That's how you vote. That's all for today.
And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And remember to like, share and comment on the video. That will help us a lot.
I'm gonna pass out.